Ever found yourself in a conversation with a younger woman and wondered what questions could really impress her? Today, we're cutting straight to the chase. I'll share with you the kinds of questions that not only show your depth and genuine interest, but also have the power to engage and impress. These questions are about peeling back the layers to understand her aspirations, her thoughts, and what truly matters to her. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to make your conversations more meaningful and captivating. And stick around for a bonus tip at the end of the video. It's an essential strategy for elevating your conversations, ensuring you leave a lasting impression. 1. Asking about passions. When you ask a woman about what drives her, what she's deeply interested in, you're doing more than just making small talk. You're showing that you see her as a full person, with her own unique set of aspirations and pursuits that excite her. This is about tapping into what makes her tick, uncovering the layers that make up who she is beyond the surface. Starting a conversation with a question about her passions isn't just polite, it's engaging. It signals that you're interested in her thoughts and feelings, not just her appearance or what she can do for you. This approach sets the tone for a connection that's built on mutual respect and genuine interest. Why does this matter? Because everyone wants to feel seen and understood. By focusing on her passions, you're giving her space to share what truly matters to her. This doesn't just make for great conversation, it helps build a foundation of deep connection. So when you're talking to a younger woman and looking for a way to really engage with her, start here. Ask about what she loves, what dreams she's chasing. This is your chance to get to know her on a different level. And who knows, you might just find that you share more in common than you thought. 2. Understanding her worldview. It's one thing to know what someone is passionate about, but understanding how they view the world around them takes the conversation to a new level of depth. Asking her about the changes she wishes to see in the world or her thoughts on global issues isn't just small talk. It's a bridge to understanding her values, beliefs, and the causes she stands behind. This approach is about showing genuine interest in her intellect and her vision for the future. It reflects that you're not just interested in the superficial aspects of her personality, but are keen to know her take on matters that affect everyone. This not only elevates the conversation, but also demonstrates that you value her opinions and see her as a thinking, caring individual. Why is this important? Because it shows that you're listening and that you care about things beyond your immediate world. Engaging her on topics of broader significance suggests that you're both curious and respectful of her insights, potentially leading to rich, engaging discussions that can strengthen your connection. So, the next time you're in a conversation, steer towards asking about her vision for the world. It's an excellent way to show that you're interested in what she has to say on a deeper level, inviting a shared exploration of ideas and ideals. 3. Valuing her experiences. Getting to know someone isn't just about understanding their likes and dislikes. It's about appreciating the journey that has made them who they are today. This is why delving into her experiences, especially those that have significantly impacted her life, is crucial. Asking her to share a story that has shaped her not only shows that you value her past, but also that you're interested in the lessons and insights she's gained along the way. This approach goes beyond mere curiosity. It's an invitation for her to open up about the moments that have defined her, the challenges she's overcome, and the victories she's celebrated. It's about recognizing her resilience, her growth, and the unique path she's walked to get to where she is now. This kind of conversation not only deepens your understanding of her, but also fosters a connection built on empathy and mutual respect. Why does this matter? Because everyone has a story to tell, and listening to hers tells her that you see her as a complete person, not just someone you're casually talking to. It signals that you're genuinely interested in what has made her the person she is today. So, take the time to ask about her experiences. It's a powerful way to show that you're not just passing the time, but are truly engaged in learning about her life, her triumphs, and the obstacles she's navigated. This can transform a simple conversation into a meaningful exchange, laying the groundwork for a deeper connection. I hope you're finding value in what we've shared so far. If so, could you take a moment to support us? A quick like, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button really goes a long way. 4. Curiosity about her challenges. Exploring the challenges someone has faced or is currently navigating offers a glimpse into their resilience and strength. By asking about a challenge she's recently overcome, you're doing more than just making conversation. You're showing that you see her as a strong individual with her own set of trials and triumphs. This kind of question opens up a space for her to share her stories of adversity and how she managed to come out stronger on the other side. It's not just about acknowledging the rough patches, it's about celebrating the victories, no matter how small they may seem. This approach demonstrates empathy and a genuine willingness to understand her on a deeper level. It says that you're interested in her as a whole person, including the battles she's fought and the lessons she's learned along the way. Why is this conversation important? Because it adds a layer of depth to your interaction. It shows that you're not afraid to engage with the real stuff, the moments that test our mettle and shape our character. Plus, it offers her the opportunity to reflect on her own resilience and share her story of overcoming obstacles, which can be incredibly empowering. So don't shy away from discussing challenges. It's a powerful way to connect on a more personal level, showing that you care about her experiences and how they've contributed to the person she is today. This not only deepens your conversation, but also strengthens the bond between you. 5. Interest in her joy and leisure. When you ask about her go-to activities for relaxation or what makes her happy, you're showing that her well-being is important to you. This kind of question invites her to share the lighter, more joyful aspects of her life, whether it's a hobby, a favorite book, or a cherished ritual that helps her de-stress after a long day. Focusing on joy and leisure activities reveals much more than just how she likes to relax. It opens a window into what she values, finds fun, and how she takes care of herself. It's a conversation that naturally tends toward positivity and can lead to shared interests or even new ideas for spending time together in enjoyable ways. Why focus on this? Because it underscores that you care about her happiness and quality of life. It signals that you're interested in the things that make her smile and feel at ease, further building a foundation for a caring and thoughtful relationship. Plus, discussing happiness and leisure can lighten the mood, making the conversation more enjoyable and engaging for both of you. So, take the time to ask about what brings her joy. It's not just a way to keep the conversation flowing. It's a meaningful gesture that shows you're genuinely interested in her happiness and how she chooses to celebrate life's lighter moments. 6. Her views on relationships and compatibility. Talking about relationships and compatibility opens up a crucial dialogue about what each person values in a partnership. When you ask her what qualities she values most in a partner, you're not just making conversation. You're getting to the heart of what she looks for in relationships. This question encourages a deeper understanding of her expectations and the traits she admires, providing insight into her relationship dynamics and what she considers important for a strong, healthy connection. This kind of discussion is more than just informative. It's a pathway to discovering shared values and seeing if your perspectives on relationships align. It shows that you're interested in what makes for a meaningful, lasting partnership from her point of view. Plus, it can highlight areas of compatibility between you two, or offer a new perspective on what you value in your relationships. Why venture into this territory? Because understanding each other's views on relationships is fundamental to building a strong foundation. It's about more than just finding common ground. It's about appreciating each other's unique standpoint and what each person deems crucial in a partner. So, don't hesitate to delve into conversations about relationships and compatibility. It's an engaging way to learn more about her values and expectations, and to share your own. This not only enriches your conversation, but also builds a deeper connection by exploring the potential for a future together based on mutual respect and understanding. Bonus tip: listen actively and follow up. Wrapping up with a crucial piece of advice that ties everything together: the importance of active listening and thoughtful follow-up. When you ask her about her passions, dreams, and views, make sure you're truly listening to what she's saying. This means more than just hearing her words. It's about understanding the feelings and thoughts behind them. Show that you're engaged by offering responses or asking further questions based on what she's shared. This demonstrates genuine interest and shows that you're not just running through a list of questions, but are truly invested in getting to know her. Active listening is the key to meaningful conversations. It turns a simple exchange into an opportunity for deeper connection. By paying close attention and responding thoughtfully, you signal that what she says matters to you. This is crucial for building trust and showing that you value her experiences and opinions. Remember, the goal isn't just to impress, but to connect on a genuine level. By actively listening and engaging with what she shares, you create a space where meaningful conversations can flourish. This approach not only makes her feel valued and heard, but also deepens your understanding of each other, laying the groundwork for a relationship built on mutual respect and genuine interest. So now that you know what to ask her, what's next for you? Discover how to read her flirtatious signals, or learn what women love that few men do. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.